If you've ever tried copying slides from one PowerPoint to another, you've probably noticed that the formatting often gets messed up. Fonts change, colors shift, and the design ideas you carefully set up just don't carry over. In this video, I'm going to show you the correct way to copy and paste PowerPoint slides while keeping all of your formatting, design ideas, and layouts perfectly intact. Let's get started. First, open both your original presentation and the one you want to copy the slides into. On the original file, look to the left-hand side where the slide thumbnails are. Select the slide or slides you want to copy. You can hold down the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac to select multiple slides at once. Once you've highlighted them, press Control C or Command C to copy. Now, switch over to your destination presentation. In the thumbnail pane, right-click where you want the slides to appear. Here's the key step. Instead of using the normal paste, look for the option called Keep Source Formatting. This ensures that your slides bring along their original fonts, colors, and design ideas, instead of being forced to match the new file's theme. If you just hit the regular paste shortcut, PowerPoint will usually try to apply the destination design, which is why things can look different. But by choosing Keep Source Formatting, you're telling PowerPoint to preserve exactly what you created. One important note, this method works best in the PowerPoint desktop app. If you're using PowerPoint for the web, the formatting controls are limited, and you may not always get perfect results. So for professional presentations, stick with the desktop version. And that's it. With just a couple of clicks, you can move slides between presentations without losing all the hard work you put into formatting and design. If this guide helped you, make sure to try it out in your next project and see how much easier it makes your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.